Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2015 Toyota Yaris, stock number 7194. This ran from the 8th 2011 to the 12th 2019. There's a 1Z 4 litre, 4 cylinder, 1.5 litre petrol engine, backed by 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1Z 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 15-inch FWD magnet tyre, left-hand door mirror, left rear door one dent and light scratches, left rear 15-inch FWD magnet tyre, left-hand tail light, rear tailgate, right-hand tail light, right and rear 15-inch FWD magnet tyre, right-hand door mirror, right front 15-inch FWD magnet tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,